Hi viewers, today our video is antique bottles art. As you watching on the screen, beautiful antique bottles uh, art. You are watching another antique bottle decorating another beautiful decorate the antique wine bottles. You are watching another bottles art, another bottle decorating with the beautiful uh, art design. You are watching another design of the bottle art. You are watching a doll decorating the bottles into the doll, a bottle decorated with the flowers. You are watching beautiful ideas of the bottle, glass bottle, antique bottles, wine bottles art. You are watching dolls and models. You are watching the cat model make the plastic bottles. You are watching the with the flowers bottles. You are watching the antique bottles art decorating a unique shape into the bottles. You are watching decorating with the jute and beads, beautiful shape. You are watching some wine bottles decorating art, dia craft bottles. You are watching the beautiful sunflower painting on the huge bottle. You are watching three bottles painted decorating same color. You are watching the bottles decorating. You are watching the jar glass bottle decorating. You are watching another bottles decorated with the different items, flowers and other. You are watching two bottles decorating with the jute and other. You are watching three bottles painted yellow and white face shape. You are watching the wine bottles decorating antique bottles decorating uh, with the beautiful art craft design bottles. You are watching another beautiful unique idea of the uh, decorating your old west bottles, antique bottles. Another idea, you are watching the decorating your bottles. You are watching the grapes plant decorating on the wine bottles. You are watching the juice